Hey there, and welcome to TechLighten Me. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download DaVinci Resolve 20. First, head over to the official Blackmagic Design website. That's blackmagicdesign.com. Once you're on this page, click on the Support tab at the top. On the next page, scroll down until you find this part that says, Latest Downloads. You should see DaVinci Resolve 20 at the top of this list or whatever is the latest version. You'll see options for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Go ahead and click the one that matches your system. For me and for most people using Windows, it's Windows x86 unless you have an ARM processor. Then select the ARM64 option. A form will pop up asking for your name, email, and other info. You need to fill out the form before you can start the download, but as you can see, you can enter any random info here. So if you're concerned about privacy, don't worry, just use fake information. Once you're done, click Register and Download. The download should start immediately, but if it doesn't, just click on this button here to restart it. After that, you're good to go. Just run the installer like you would with any other app. And that's it. You're ready to explore all the new features in Resolve 20. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.